Hello! I hope you have been enjoying the videos in this series so far. However, I get a lot of questions from viewers asking a zillion doubts. I thought I will make a video to stress on some points. Trading is a skill and an art. Everyone will not become adept at it. However, if you truly have the desire to become a skilled trader and show consistent profits in your account, then you need to put the effort and develop a deeper understanding of the charts and the markets. Even if you do not have a natural skill, persistence and effort will replace everything. Repetition is the key to true success. Genius is 99% perspiration and 1% inspiration. So do not give up, and keep looking at many charts, and soon that magic realization will dawn on you. It will not happen with checking a few charts, and thinking you have understood the markets. That is truly an illusion. There is no magic oscillator or indicator that will bring you success in the markets. Knowledge of trading techniques, and tools to determine the trend, is the only key to low-risk high-probability trades. Many want to see a few videos and start assuming they have learned about the markets. Unless you have studied thousands of charts and applied the systems, you can never expect to understand even one system in the markets. The markets can become your self-reloading ATM. But you need to put in a lot of effort to truly understand what the markets are doing and develop that edge over tens of thousands of traders who are also trading in the markets. You must prove to the markets that you are truly one of those who have that something special to give you profits consistently. That said, once you acquire this skill, you become truly a master of your own life. You will never have to work at a job, never have to worry about money, never have to feel financially stressed in your life. You will be able to take money out of the market whenever you want. Many people have done this in their life, and if you too want to achieve this, the only thing stopping you from achieving the dream is you. Can you see yourself being that successful trader? Can you see yourself putting the effort to be that successful trader? Imagine how nice you will feel when you are able to pull money at will out of the markets. Imagine how nice it will be when you too can boast you are a successful trader and do not work for anyone. Yes, it is possible. And the only process is repetition and more repetition, till the information becomes knowledge and converts to wisdom. It is just information for you today, and seeing and applying the principles to the charts, again and again, will convert it to knowledge, and then wisdom dawns. May your trading never be the same again.